SAP on cloud. Why S/4HANA is a big shift. SAP is evolving fast. Traditional SAP systems are moving to cloud. What is S/4HANA Next-Gen ERP system designed for modern businesses? Runs on high-speed in-memory database. Why cloud matters for SAP? Faster processing, real-time analytics, better scalability. What changed earlier? Heavy infrastructure, complex upgrades now. Cloud-based deployment, simplified operations. Who is using IT? Large enterprises are migrating systems before legacy systems expire. Skills in demand. SAP consultants with cloud knowledge, S/4HANA expertise, integration skills, challenges, migration complexity, data transformation, system compatibility, the shift from legacy ERP to intelligent enterprise systems. The final take. SAP plus cloud is the future. S/4HANA skills are becoming essential. Rocket emoji.